Hey guys, so I didn't really get to film like a proper intro, and I can't do it in the morning because, as you can see, my backdrop is lit up because there's windows behind there. So this is gonna be like my intro. I'm sorry. But in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I declutter and organize my makeup bag, and I'm going to be transferring it into a new makeup bag. For some reason I'm into like organization videos, even though my whole house will be just like a hot mess, but I'm gonna still watch it. So if you guys are like me and y'all are interested in seeing how I organize my makeup bag, then we're just gonna get right into this video. So let's go. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be transferring my and organizing and cleaning my makeup brushes out of this bag. This is a old Juicy Couture bag that I got several years ago, and as you can see, my makeup is overflowing. This does not close anymore, so hopefully I can get it to fit into this. This is a just little travel set that my mom bought from, I believe, TJ Maxx. I'll verify and put it in the description box, but it just came with this makeup bag, these little pouches. I think you can probably fill it with like lotion or body wash or shampoo, you know, just whatever liquid you have. This little silk tiny bag you can just use for on the go stuff. It came with a cute little black sleeping mask, which I don't use because y'all, I sleep with the TV on, but for my people out there who sleep in the dark, I got y'all. And then it also came with just this little one, just basically a whole bunch of little things to travel with. And then just also it came with the little sponge loofah. So that's everything that came inside of this. And once again, it was $16.99, but hopefully I can get everything to fit into this once I organize it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using a jar to clean out my makeup brushes. I'm going to be using the Renew body wash because I use it on my sensitive skin, and yeah, I just figured it would be fine to soak my makeup brushes in. So I put that in the jar and then filled it up with water to create kind of like some soapy water so my brushes could soak while I clean out my bag. So as you can see, I began rummaging through the bag in hopes to just get out all the brushes, but I realized it's too much going on, so I had to take basically everything out to sort through and find the brushes. So that's just what I'm doing now. And this darn messy, like, I'm really mad at myself for letting it get this bag, y'all. So if y'all got some free time during this coronavirus, clean out your bag, because this was like disgusting. I was mad at myself for letting it even pile up like this, or just like the loose things that I had in here. I was like, really, girl? Pens, and I know you see that business card, just random stuff. Like, why? Loose eyelashes? It's a no for me. So loves, clean out your bags. So I finally got to gather all of the brushes, and I'm going to place those into the jar full of the soapy water. So like I said, that they can soak while I organize the rest of the things. And I just held this bag up with no shame. Ew. So now we're down to get 30, and we're about to organize and open up this new bag. Okay, look like she's struggling a little bit. Okay, she got it open. That's the bag. There she go. There goes my baby. Don't copyright me. Anyway, so I decided to keep the cardboard in there just so that organizing it makes it easier. And I started out with my eyeshadows. Those are mostly eyeshadows, and then a contour palette. They're like the more square, boxier sort of items. So I decided to start off with those. So next I just decided to organize my blush, powders, and highlighters. Then I moved on to the lashes. As you can see, them things tired, but we gonna put them in there anyway. So next I decided to move on to my masks. I have a foot mask and 2 face masks I'm gonna put into the bag, as you can see. Oopsie, we left out a highlighter. Now we are moving on to the primers and foundations, as well as the setting spray, basically just the liquidier items. And boom, we're gonna put it boom right there. Boom, 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 period. Okay, so now we are moving on to all my lip and eyeliner pencils, and also my eyeliner, just my eyeliner and my brow pencil. I have tons of eyeliner pencils and lip liners, as you can see. You know, loose lashes. Got a little, I always be having extra makeup inside of my purse or my pouch, just whatever. So I took out the the lipstick and the liner, but I left my essentials in there. Boom, flexing, flex, head on with that flex, as she should. So we just gonna place those right there, as you can see. So moving on to the lipsticks, I just gathered all my lipsticks, and as you can see, there's quite a bit, but this isn't even all of them, y'all. I have a lot more at my dad's house that I have to get, but these are all the ones that I keep on me, that I use. So there's that, and I'm just gonna place that in the bag like so. I had almost forgot about my primer and my concealer, so I'm gonna put those near the other liquid face type items. As you can see, I put them right there, right next to them. And then I was like, oh snap, forgetting little things here and there. I forgot my BB cream, so I'm gonna place that right in there, as you see. Struggling, but it's all right, we gonna get it. So here's some of the trash that I'm going to throw away because it's unnecessary, and I don't know where that other hoop is, and them eyelashes are empty, and yeah, it's trash, so bye-bye. Then I gathered the few mascaras that I keep them things on me, and I'm going to put them next to the eyelashes and in between the eyelashes, as well as the eyeshadows. And I didn't like the way my lipstick looked just laying in the bag. It kind of just looked messy, so I decided to gather them all together as best as I could, and I was going to tie them up with a rubber band so that they could be together and not just look like they were thrown in the bag. So that's what you see me doing now, just tying them up with a rubber band. It's probably not going to stay like that, but you know, I did try it. We gonna see. So these are some sample glosses that I have. I'm just going to stick that next to the lipsticks that I have. Then I got some tweezers, and then I'm going to put that hair glue next to my eyelashes because that is what I use to put my eyelashes on. So similar to what I did with the lipsticks, I decided to tie up my mascaras as well, just so that they're not like falling all over the place. So I banded those up with a rubber band, and yeah, I just thought it looked better that way. So then, of course, I have my mini mirrors. I'm just gonna put those in the front of my bag. I don't really use them too much, but we're gonna put them in there anyway. Now we really finna get down and dirty. We moving on to these brushes, y'all. So I'm just gonna wash them off with like some hot water. That's really it. Just rinse them off because they were already sitting in like the soapy water. I put a little bit more soap on them, but that's basically it. Gonna wash them off and then dry them with a paper towel, as you can see me doing in this clip. Now moving on to these sponges, I rinsed these things like crazy and it still had like a little bit of stained foundation on it, so I was like not satisfied, but I knew it was clean. It smelled clean, it looked clean, it was clean. I did clean it, but the foundation didn't come all the way out, so I just thought maybe it'd probably be easier next time to just start replacing them instead of trying to deep clean them because they don't come all the way clean. But yeah, I got them as clean as I could. Now moving on to my poor attempt to dry the brushes, I rolled them and flicked them and water was flowing everywhere. As you can see, if you look at my mirror, you can see there was water just going everywhere, but they did get semi-dry. I'm sure they're dry now the next day, but yeah, just try to dry those. They didn't work out too well, but that's what I'm doing in this clip. So now we're getting ready for the grand reveal. Ooh, I'm gonna remove that cardboard, y'all. Ooh. So this is the bag. It still kind of looks a little junky, but I promise you I know what's going on. Those are my eyeshadows and my contour palette. Then I have my face mask, my eyelashes, my powders, my liners, my foundations, lipsticks, and glosses. And my brushes are just, boom, just like all over. And then my mirrors are in the front, miscellaneous items. You know, it worked for me. Okay, it worked for me. So that is basically my new bag. We digging it. We loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay guys, so I also didn't get to film an outro either. I'm sorry. But I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If so, you can let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, commenting down any feedback or video suggestions that you guys would like to see. Of course, subscribing to my channel, and last but not least, sharing this video with your family and friends. I do hope you enjoyed, and I appreciate you guys so much for all the support that you have given me, and I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.